बिना बेसुआदी बेसुआदी रे तेरे बिना बेसुआदी बेसुआदी रे खुशबू
नेगेटिव मार्किंग नहीं है, 0 मार्क है ना। प्लीज कॉन्टैक्ट योर टेस्ट इन द केस ऑफ पावर फेलियर रिकवरी इट टेस्ट रिकवर इज not possible, then test will have to be rescheduled. In case of complete internet failure, submission will not be possible and test will have to be rescheduled. In case of temporary internet outage, please wait for some time and try to resubmit the test. If internet speed is unnecessarily slow, image and tables in the question may take little longer to appear. This is multiple choice question type test. You can go back to the previous questions. There is no negative margin. Please attempt all questions. The test should be submitted only when it is completed in the which is the smallest prime number? Which is smallest prime number? 2. Which is the longest river in the world? Nile. वही क्वेश्चन आएंगे घूम फिर के ना. Which is the fastest land animal? Tiger, cheetah. वही आ रहे हैं. What is the main integrated in glucose? Avocado. Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? Japan. Which instrument is used to measuring temperature? Thermometer. Which planet is known as the red planet? Mars. What is the national animal of India? Tiger. Who painted the Mona Lisa? We can go. Leonardo da Vinci. Which famous scientist developed the theory of Newtonism, है ना?
Einstein.
Which gas do planet absorb? CO2, carbon dioxide. Which language has the most native speakers worldwide? English.
Yes.
ये आई नहीं था ना किसी को. Who discovered gravity?
Newton.
Isaac Newton. Which animal is known as the ship of the desert? Camel. In computer, CPU, Central Processing Unit. How many countries in the Earth? 7. What does WW wants? World Wide Web. What is the boiling point? 100 degrees Celsius. What is H2O commonly known as water? What is the square root of 14412? Who wrote Romeo and Juliet? Charles Dickens. William Shakespeare. What is the capital of Australia? Sydney.
4th.
Canberra.
Yes.
Canberra. Who was the first president of the United States?
Washington. Second.
George Washington. In which year did World War II end? 1945. Which element has the chemical symbol O? Oxygen. And the test. You are sure you want to submit your test? Yes, submit it. Okay, thank you.